guys, welcome to my channel. Did you know you no longer need to schedule your photos and videos through a third-party app anymore? Well, I'm going to show you how, so stay tuned. If you're new here, I would like to welcome you to my channel. Here I make a lot of how-to videos for Instagram and they are quite short tutorials to follow along with. So if you enjoy these types of videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. Alright guys, in case you didn't know, but now you no longer need to purchase or use a third-party app or provider to schedule your photos, your videos, even videos for IGTV. And it's really simple. All you need to do is change your Instagram to a creator profile, and I've made a video about this, so I'll pop it somewhere on the screen for you to click on or watch a little later. But I'm going to show you how you can easily schedule your posts from your desktop. It is Facebook's Creator Studio where you can link your Instagram account to it as well. So I love the fact that it is a native platform, and let's jump over to my desktop and I want to show you how to do it. Alright guys, so we're in my desktop at the moment, and in order to link your Instagram account to a creator studio, you must go into business.facebook.com/creator studio, and as you can see here, I'm in the Facebook section at the moment, so I need to jump into the Instagram part. And it says Creator Studio for Instagram, and this is what it looks like. And at the moment I haven't connected my account yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do so. I've got this little prompt saying share Instagram access with Facebook page members, so I'm just going to go and hit OK. So I've went ahead and connected my Instagram account with the platform, and this looks actually really good because you can see here all the posts that has been published and the number of likes and comments. All the stats are shown over here, and you've got your insights here over on your left. Mine's taken a while to load, but you can go to audience. I think I may not have any because I've only just connected to it. So let me just go back and show you how you can schedule a post. You need to go over to this left hand corner where it says create post. You get a choice of Instagram feed or IGTV, and I'm just gonna go into Instagram feed for now, and I'm just gonna caption it as the test location. Maybe just put in there Melbourne. I don't know, it's not Crown Casino obviously. And then I'm going to add content from file upload. I am just going to choose something from here. I'm not going to post to Facebook, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. Then I am going to have the option to schedule. Let's make it 3:48. I'm going to hit schedule. You even have the option to publish now or save as a draft, but I'm just going to hit schedule for now. Alright, I'm just going to pick 50. Schedule. If you filter down to schedule, you'll find it here. If you need to amend it, you can just hit onto it and then hit edit, or you could just delete it as well. And say if you want to post a IGTV, upload it here. Oh, it has to be vertical. For some reason I can't upload, but I guess if you've got a vertical video, then you can do it through here, add a title, and a description, and you can even custom your thumbnail here as well. And it also has the option to share on your feed and your page, and then you go ahead and publish or schedule. Here it allows you to save as draft as well, so which is pretty cool. But that's it, that's how you do it, guys. If this video has helped you, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out to me. I know some of you guys have through my Instagram account, but feel free to drop it down in the comment section. And that's all for me for now, and I will see you on the next one.